Hey everyone looking to open an N26 account in 2024, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process and how to create your N26 account quickly and easily. So let's get started. Head over into the official website of N26 and click on that Open Free Bank Account button at the top right of your screen. So in this section, you'll need to enter your personal details like your full name, email address, and country of your residence. So initially, you need to provide your country of residence, the language that you prefer to actually use for this website. So after you select that, click on that Get Started button. Make sure all of the information is correct before proceeding. Check your inbox for a verification email from N26 and click the link in the email to confirm your account and continue the registration process. Next, enter your residential address and tax identification details if required. This ensures compliance with banking regulations. To verify your identity, you'll need to upload a government-issued ID such as a passport or national ID card. Depending on your country, you might also need a complete short video verification. Now set up your login credentials, including a secure password and a PIN for transactions. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security, and once your identity is verified, you can add funds to your N26 account via bank transfer or card deposit. You're now ready to start banking with N26, and that's it. You've successfully created your N26 account in 2024. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.